morning, everyone. Welcome back to Burkeshire Farm. Well, last night was an awesome night. It was my first time sleeping in the trailer. Frank and I have already been up. We've had our coffee sitting outside while it's still cool outside. We've had our breakfast, and now we're kind of getting ready for the day. We have lots of things planned for today, but after sitting and relaxing, we're kind of thinking we're going to take it easy today. We have one project we really want to get done. Other than that, we're just going to really enjoy our Saturday here. But last night, it was really awesome sleeping. I want to show you the view that you can see right there. And what was so nice is in the middle of the night, I woke up, and up there was the moon was shining right out of between those trees. It was such a beautiful picture with the moon lighting up the trees and everything. It was just absolutely gorgeous. And then this morning, right out that window there, we were able to see the sun coming up over the trees. So now we're just going to go ahead and start our day and get going on our project that we plan on doing today. All right. So this is going to be our project here. You can see all the pine needles and the leaves. And over here is a great big hole. So what we're going to do is kind of rake everything up, and that's going to be our little burn pile right there, because it is a hole. We can contain it right inside there. Okay. So what are you going to do now, honey?
Well, you asked why the water's dripping off the back of the travel trailer. It's because it's the air conditioner is pulling all the humidity out of the air, and on the evaporator coil it collects water, and there should be a pan up there that it goes in, and I got a feeling it's either clogged or something, and I'm going to have to get up there and get the leaves off of that awning and get up there and see what's going on with that, because and it shouldn't be just raining all over the roof. It shouldn't. There should be a pan and a hose that's either coming down somewhere, like right here. Here's a hose sticking out. It might be this one. But that should be draining down and off and not up on the roof. So I'm going to have to get up there and figure out what's going on.
While Frank is doing that, I'm going to start over there. That way I have something to do too. So while Frank is working on the trailer, seeing what's going on with the air conditioner, making sure everything's flowing good, getting rid of all the leaves on the top, I'm going to start with the burn pile. I'm going to start little, and then when Frank comes, we'll probably get a little bit bigger. But first, I need to go find me some rakes and stuff, so I'll be right back. All right, got our rakes. Now, last week, we actually started raking a little bit over in this area, but we decided to stop because Tropical Nicholas was coming, and we didn't want to rake everything up, and then the very next day it'd be all covered again. So I'm going to start over on this area here because it's not real heavy. It just has some light pine needles, and then we'll get to working on the heavy area over there that has everything.
After I shot some video yesterday, I put this in in the down the toilet inside. It's supposed to be 2 times the odor stopping power. It says breaks down waste and tissues, stops odors for up to 7 days, no harmful formaldehyde, pesticides, or biocides. It's a citrus scent. I put this in there yesterday, and hopefully it's had some time to break it down. We'll see. Moment of truth. That's disgusting.
So this area is looking pretty good. Now, what I want to do is tackle this area here. We're going to wait for Frank to tackle this area. We're getting pretty hot out here. The clouds are rolling in. We were hoping maybe it would stay a little bit cooler, but it's just too hot. And we're going to take a break from cleaning up this area, although we did a pretty good job. Frank really did a great job once he got in there with that big heavy rake. And so we're going to take a little bit of a break, go inside the trailer, get some water, maybe have a little snack, a little lunch or something. And if we have a chance, if it doesn't start raining, we'll hopefully be able to finish this up. The rain clouds came and went. And so now we're going to finish up getting rid of these big piles here so that we can have a little bit of a burn right there and get rid of all that stuff. So hopefully it won't be too long.